Welcome back to DRAWPEDIA Tutorials. Today I'm gonna teach you how to draw Wolverine. If you're new to this channel, be sure to like, subscribe and comment below. I'm gonna draw on my Wacom tablet, but you can follow my tutorials with any other media that you have, whether it's pencil color, Sharpie or crayon. Now first of all, I'm gonna draw his eyes, so I'm gonna take this point at the middle and draw a diagonal curved line outwards and turn it sideways at this outer corner. Below that, I'm gonna draw across a semicircle line, and below that another semicircle line, and stop middle point. And I'm gonna copy the same eye shape on the left side. Now I'm gonna take the point in the middle of the eye on the right and draw a diagonal curved line outwards right there. I'm gonna do the same thing on the left side as well. And from the top point, I'm gonna draw another curved line out and turn it upwards at this outer corner. And I'm gonna do the same thing on the left side right there. And going back to the middle point, I'm gonna make a sharp turn back inwards at this lower point and turn it downwards with a line slightly diagonal. And we're gonna do the same thing on the right side there. And at the point of the nose there, I'm gonna draw across a line. At the side of that, I'm gonna draw a diagonal line upwards and out, curved line sideways, slightly up at the outer corner, and I'm gonna do the same thing on the left side right here. And I'm gonna make a sharp turn downwards to the side of his jaw, semicircle turn at the jaw, diagonal line to the chin. And we're gonna do the same thing on the left side right there, and a curved line across at the chin. For his mouth, I'm gonna draw across a curved line, and I'm gonna make it downwards at the corners at the side, and another curved line at this lower point for the lower lips, and for the top of his chin, a curved line across. And at the side of his nose, I'm gonna draw a curved line downwards and diagonally out. And I'm gonna trace the same outline of the jaw right here at this outer corner. Now at the side there, I'm gonna draw a diagonal line out, semicircle turn upwards, and curved line inwards towards the tip of that section. I'm gonna extend this line on the left upwards, and we're gonna do the same thing on the left side here as well. And above his head, I'm gonna draw across a semicircle line. Now above his eye, I'm gonna draw a curved line upwards and turn it outwards at this top point. Copy the same line again on the right side right there, and I'm gonna mirror the whole thing on the left side here. And in the middle of his eyebrow, I'm gonna draw a curved line upwards on both the left and right. Now below the mask at the side, I'm gonna draw a line down on both sides, curved line out to the shoulder, turn it slightly down at this outer corner, and sideways. Curved line downwards at the side of the shoulder, and at the top point here, I'm gonna draw a semicircle line outwards and slightly downwards. Turn it down and curved line back inwards at this lower point. I'm gonna trace the same curved line at this upper point, and at the side of his body on the left, I'm gonna continue this line downwards turn it slightly in and downwards. And for the line of the arm, a curved line right there, diagonal turn inwards at this lower point. For the outer line of the arms, I'm going to draw a curved line down below this shoulder pad here, another curved line below that, a line down, and another curved line to the top of his gauntlet. A curved line across for the top of his gauntlet, and curved line diagonally down to his hands. Turn it inwards at the waist point, turn it back out at the thumb here with a diagonal curved line, extend it out, turn it downwards with a semicircle turn, and at the side of the thumb here, a diagonal line down, semicircle turn at that corner. And for his claws, I'm gonna draw a triangular shape at this point with a curved base. And for the claws coming out, I'm gonna draw a diagonal line downwards all the way to the tip. And for the other side, a similar line at this upper point, and I'm gonna make a turn to the tip right there. And I'm gonna copy the whole claw shape on the left side right there. And another one at the side here. Now for the outer line of the hand, I'm going to draw a curved line downwards and slightly diagonal, semicircle turn at the tip here, curved line across every claws right there. For the details on his gauntlet, I'm going to draw across a curved line at the top point right here, and below that a line diagonally down, diagonal turn outwards to the left, curved line across to the outer corner. Inside of that space, I'm going to draw a curved line across like that all the way to the top. And below the wrist, I'm going to draw a diagonal line at the side, across, and diagonal turn back down and sideways. And I'm going to copy the left side of the body and the arms on the right side as well. Now for his belt, I'm gonna draw a circular shape in the middle point right here. And another circular shape inside of that. And at the top point right here, I'm gonna draw a V shape, an upside down V shape at this lower point, and sideways at the side here. Coming out at the top, I'm gonna draw a diagonal line to the side, turn it downwards at the side, diagonal line back in at this lower point. At the corner, at the outer corner, I'm gonna draw a line inwards, downwards, and out. And at the side of that on the left, I'm gonna draw a line across for the top of the belt and another line at this lower point. And along the belt, I'm gonna draw lines across. I'm gonna copy the whole thing on the right side as well. Now for the patterns of his outfit, I'm gonna take this point above at the side of his shoulder and draw a curved line down. Extend it all the way downwards and to the top of the belt. I'm gonna copy the same line again at the side of that. And at the side of the shoulder, I'm gonna draw a triangular shape right here. At the side on the left, below that, and another one above the belt. Now at the side of the arm, I'm gonna draw a diagonal curved line right there. Another one below that, a diagonal line downwards from the side right here, semicircle turn to the middle point and slightly upwards at the middle point, and below the head a line across, semicircle turn at the middle point, slightly downwards. And I'm gonna copy the whole patterns on the right side right here. And at the middle point here, I'm going to draw a line down, and at the side of it, I'm going to draw across some lines at the side. Now for the abs, I'm going to draw a curved line below that, downwards, and at the side, curved line sideways at this lower point and at this upper point. Curved line down at the side. And I'm going to copy the same shape on the right side here. And I'm going to copy that whole thing on this lower point again. And here as well. Below the belt, I'm going to continue the lines at the side downwards. Right there, curved line across at this point, and for the line of his legs, I'm gonna take this point at the side and draw a curved line outwards and downwards, turn it inwards at the knee point, curved line down, and diagonal turn slightly out below the knee point right there. And I'm gonna do the same thing for the inner line of the legs here. And for the boots, I'm gonna draw from the middle point a diagonal curved line outwards and up, sharp turn back down, turn it diagonally inwards at this lower point. And I'm gonna do the same thing on the left side here. Align diagonally down on both points below that and turn it straight down and back diagonally out and downwards. At the side of the boots, I'm gonna draw a diagonal curve line downwards to the ankle point and inwards. And I'm gonna do the same thing for the right side right here. And on the outer corner, diagonal curve line out, semicircle turn downwards, and diagonal turn to the center of the tip in front of the boots. A line across, diagonal turn to the right, semicircle turn upwards, and a curved line to the side and turn it upwards. I'm gonna extend this line down all the way to the front tip of the shoe and turn it sideways diagonally, following the line of the base right there all the way to the side on the right. Along the side above the boots, I'm gonna draw a diagonal curve line similar to the top section right there, all the way down to the ankle point. And I'm gonna do the same thing for the left side as well. Now for the knee pad, I'm gonna draw a diagonal line across at this top point, semicircle turn downwards on both sides, turn it diagonally at the corner downwards and inwards, and semicircle line at this lower point. And inside of that, I'm gonna trace the same line right there and slightly below that. Copy that same set of line at this lower point and another one right there. And I'm gonna trace the outline of the knee pad shape right here at this outer corner. And from the corner below, I'm gonna draw a curved line downwards to the boots and another one at the side of it. And on the right corner right here, like that, and at the top on the right side here to the side of his thigh, and on his thigh at this outer corner, I'm gonna draw a diagonal curved line to the hand. And I'm gonna copy the whole leg shape on the right side as well. That's all for our tutorial today. I hope you enjoy it and find my lessons helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe to this channel. Also, feel free to drop your requests, suggestions, or any other comments in the comment section below. See you next time.